How to add or change payment method on Agoda. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to add or change payment method on Agoda. So please watch till the end of the video to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can check out the Agoda website using the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So after you go to the website and log in your account, just click your account name right here on the top right corner, and after you click that, just go to your profile. And under in your profile options or settings, you will see right here payment methods, and make sure that this option is turned on so it actually save your credit card information when you purchase something on the website. And after you turn that on, you can now go book a hotel or purchase something on Agoda. So me, I'm just going to book a hotel, so I'm just going to time lapse it, and I'm going to put my contact details. And after I put my contact details, the next or final step, I will add my credit card, of course. And after I add all of my credit card information, I can now just book this hotel. And after the payment is done successfully, my credit card will automatically save as my default payment method. And yeah, that's it. That's how you add or change payment method on Agoda. And also that's it for today's tutorial. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.